Little video.
Get back here.
Taking a picture of it.
The water's a little deep.
And I feel bad for that tiny little playground. Then you can hear all the water dripping. I want to go to the water.
No.
No, you don't want to go in.